guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to prepare Chinese vegetable. They call this very vegetable in Chinese sunatui. We are going to prepare sunatui and chicken breast. As you can see, these are the ingredients that we are going to be using. This one is oyster sauce, vegetable oil, dark soy sauce, sunatui, mushroom, yellow and red pepper, chili pepper, the smaller size, onion, salt, and Maggi. So this is my wooden spoon I'm going to use, and this is my frying pan I'm going to use. So guys, I'm going to chop off this chicken breast and cut the remaining ingredients off camera. Then we will come back to continue with our cooking. See you guys. So guys, these are our sliced ingredients, so let's begin our cooking. We'll first of all start by turning on our gas. The pot has dried already, so we are going in now with the oil. So guys, this one is a chicken breast. We are going to start first by frying the chicken breast. So you have to fry it until it gets done. So this one is the chicken breast. You just have to keep on stirring so the thing will not get burned. So that's it. Oh my god, only the aroma alone. Whoosh. I can't wait to start devouring it. I can't wait. So guys, at this point you just have to allow it to cook for about 2 minutes, then everything will be ready. Vegetable is ready. So guys, our vegetable is ready to eat. Oh my god. And now we have to turn off the gas, and oh my god, oh my god. So guys, you can eat this one with rice or plantain, banana, any of your choice, yam, cassava, any of your choice. It's very very nice, delicious and tasty. So guys, if you have any question, you just have to ask. You just have to drop your question at the comment section down below. I'll be waiting for your questions. And if you need the ingredients, please you can contact us by dropping your opinion down below, or your question in anything that you need or anything you don't understand on this video. See you guys in my next video till we meet again. I love you all guys. You guys should have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.